How to build a plant roller. The first step is to place a dry tree slice, in my case oak, in the self-made planter. If you are interested in a customizable DIY planter, let me know in the comments. Then I'll think of something ingenious. Logically, mill off both sides and then sand down. In the next step, we see the 4 rolls. I found these in my warehouse. They are probably from a broken piece of furniture. I cut the rolls to the right length. After drilling the holes for the rollers, I oiled the tree slice and attached the rollers. Beautiful and simple DIY project to make at home. Thanks for watching. Like the video and follow my channel.